I'm Emerald and welcome to my Hi everybody, I'm Emerald and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be doing DIY fairy wings. So I really wanted fairy wings that were like realistic, iridescent, and you can't really just like buy those unless you want to spend hundreds of dollars on like custom made wings. So I watched like a bunch of different YouTube videos, a bunch of different like Pinterest stuff to see how to make these fairy wings, and I kind of just like collabed a bunch of different people's way of making them into what I thought would be like the easiest way for me to make them. So here they are, all finished. So these are the wings we are going to be making today.
all this time. You're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me in.
So I really want to make myself another pair because this was like my first time ever making wings or anything like this. So now that I've made them, I know how to like kind of perfect it. So I really love the shape. It's just really hard to get the wings to be perfectly symmetrical. You have to either perfectly follow, you should probably perfectly follow the pattern. Whenever I was making these, I switched the pattern up a little bit while I was bending the wire to make like them a little longer, so then I couldn't replicate the pattern for the second wing. I had to, as you can see in the video, I had to measure it out by like the other wing, and I had to like keep going over, and so they ended up being a little asymmetrical, but you actually can't really tell when they're on. So the back goes under your corset or your, I recommend a corset because they're really tight, so it really holds these U shape in place, but you can put them under a bra or whatever so they don't strap around. You don't have any straps for the wings here. It's all just down the back. It also keeps my back really straight because I kind of have scoliosis or some shit. I kind of have like I'm a hunchback. I like to like hunch, so this actually keeps me really straight. I really love them. I'm so happy with them. So a few little tips from my mistakes was one, I used duct tape to like tape the joints of the wires together, and as you can see, you can like see where I taped them, and I think it looks so, like the wings could be perfect in my opinion. The wings would be perfect if they just didn't have the tape at the joint. So I would recommend, I would either use clear tape, or what I would do next is I would just glue them together, either super glue or hot glue, and I would just glue the joints of the wires so that you can't see anything.